All right, so as we go over information for your blended history composition today, just a few things that I want to make sure that students are very aware of. I am going to take a look at our assignment. So our assignment is running from the 13th to the 23rd. So today and tomorrow are your final 2 work days on this assignment. And from observation in class, I do believe that if you have truly dedicated your 45-minute class period to working on the project, and made sure you were working on your remote Wednesdays, you did have adequate time to complete the project. So I will make this quick so you guys can get started today. But one of the things that I specifically wanted to review today was making sure that students do understand what needs to be on your image slides. So each of your image slides, it is important that you have a title, a description, the image, and your citation. Okay, so the grading evaluation sheet that I will use, well, one of the first things that I will do is I will check to make sure you have that information for each image. Those are easy give me points, okay? You don't have to have any Photoshop skills, any Photopea skills, any blending knowledge whatsoever to get all of your image points. I have a feeling that since you guys were in elementary school even, curating images, typing on a Google slide, we were very thorough in the instruction on how to use Scribble, and many students have been doing a great job getting those citations. If you have questions about any of those items or you're unsure how to get those, please reach out. I want to be able to give all students all their points on these. Now, yes, the deadline for the project is tomorrow, but this is something that can be done anywhere that you have internet access. Okay, you can do this in homeroom, you can do this at lunch, you can do this at home, anywhere throughout, anywhere. Okay, so there should not really be any excuses for anyone not having this complete. Now, when it comes to the blending portion, I do feel that you have been provided ample skills and a review of skills, but if you do have questions, I will gladly assist you just at your computer and help you with blending if you have questions and you're in school. If you are working on this project remotely and you're having a question, please send me a screenshot of what you're working with, and I will do what I can to push a video back out to you to help you. The students that have requested that information, I believe, have found it helpful. So please make sure you're proactive as we are getting ready to finish this project up. Those of you that are in front of me in class today, questions that you might have on the project. All right, you guys can go ahead and get busy. Those of you watching this remotely, please, if you have questions about the assignment, reach out. But this assignment is due midnight tomorrow night. So please get busy and make sure you're completing your work and completing your work well and on time. Take care.